Hello guys, welcome to Future IT Vision. This is mobile testing video, Appium, Android and iOS, mobile automation part 5. In this part, I will be showing you for beginner how to install Eclipse. So let's go. I have a document for that. I create a document for you guys. So I will be put all those comment in my YouTube video in comment section. So easily you can follow it. So now, this is how to install the Eclipse. There is a link already provide that. Just please click it, and you will be see. Find out more version. Version is here, 64-bit. Always choose the Eclipse Java ID developer. Click it. When you click it, and you will see download. Download this, and you will see get Eclipse the photo new version. Download this one. And download is downloading. If you want to be nice with them, because they are giving us a free community version, so just if you want to donate few bucks, or the minimum is $5, up to you guys, and $70 maximum, and just donate it if you want. It's not a mandatory, just but you have to understand they're supporting the community for like such a the tools to writing a codes. I feel like also we should support them. So feel free to donate, and if you don't want, just skip it. So download is done. Double click it, and Eclipse installer in download section. Double click, open. It's installing. It takes a little bit time, guys. Be patient. Click it, and the showing the wire will be installed. Install. I accept now. Installing here. So remember, accept license, accept. So over here, accept it. It's taking time. I'm not sure why. It's the latest version of the Eclipse. So you can launch it. So if you want to keep this Eclipse in your dock, just right click in the here and show option, keep in dock. Why do you want to save your Eclipse work, whatever you want to work, make sure you create a one folder and provided example, I create a Maven, or I can create a new folder. Just right for now, I'm gonna browse it. Not gonna browse. If you browse it, and you can open whatever you want, like a document, and you can create a new folder over here, which is name. You can provide workspace. So don't have it. So what I can do, I can open here and document, and I can give the new folder, and I give the name workspace. So now I'm gonna close it, and workspace folder is here. I gonna so whatever I will be create in this Eclipse, they will be saved in workspace. The launch. Is launching. So resume. So now is ready. So I mean, just cross it. This is Eclipse ready. Just if you want to create a one Java project or Maven project, always you can create example. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to show you guys new, right click new, and you can put the Maven project or Java project. That's it for today. Next video will be regarding about Appium. So keep tuning. And if you like my video, please feel free to like and comment in the Future Activation channel in YouTube. And also in future, code will be available in GitHub. Future Activation, my others code also available in this GitHub. You can download. It's very helpful for it. It will be very helpful to guys. And also I'm gonna give you an instruction in the comment section in the YouTube how to do it. So thank you so much for today. See you for next time.